What's up, y'all? My name is Wayne, and today I'm gonna be cleaning this bad boy right here. This AP right here, combo machine, going to a mechanic shop, y'all. Y'all follow me, man. Get ready for the drop off, y'all. Let's get it.
Perfect.
Alright, now all you gotta do is pull. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, jack it up. Too much. It's okay, keep it up there. I'm gonna push it up. Just pull. Not too hard though. What side? All right. On the count of 3, pull. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now try to pull from up under. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Got it? All right.
Perfect.
All right, we loaded up, and that's not gonna stay. All right, we got our ghetto strap down.
Go back in the house. Go. Come here. Go.
My locations to grab the wheels. So there's some wheels I left under a vending machine, and we're gonna need that to get inside the door of the mechanic location. I need these wheels. It's like stuck under there somehow, and I was hoping y'all had like a forklift or something. Got it? And there we go. You got it? You good? Push. You got it. All right, look at me. This don't make no sense. I went in to get this right here and left looking like this. And I'm supposed to be going to my new location now. All right, so I'm headed to the mechanic location, and my help that was supposed to come, his daughter is sick right now, so my wife got tagged in. She's not too happy about that, but you know, she's still rocking with me. But anyways, we headed there. I'm gonna see if I can grab somebody from the mechanic location that can help me unload the trailer, unload the vending machine, and have my wife videotape. If not, then I'll catch you guys inside the location with the vending machine in there, man. All right, here it is, you guys. We just made it. We running an hour and something late, you know, but it's all good. We made it. It looks like it's a dealership slash mechanic location. Just gonna pull in here. All right, so we got it down. We had some help, couldn't videotape, but it's all good. So we headed in the building now. All right, now we're just waiting for somebody to move their car because we can't get up the bump right here. So now we gotta go in and get somebody to move the car. So she does not want any chips. So I gotta get more pastries and other stuff because she doesn't want any chips in the vending machine. That's a first, but it's what they want. So as of right now, this whole row is going to be empty. I'm gonna come back and put some pastries in here and put some other stuff in here. But other than that, pretty much good. We signing out, y'all. I'm tired. My wife is tired. We signing out. All right, here's the place.
You got a spider on you.
Really?
Right there.
You cold. Don't do me like that. You know I'm this fast. You know it, right? Making sure everything works. Alright, we ain't getting changed back. Tell you that.
Well, it's not enough to give change back because you didn't do a full 50 or a full $1.
Alright, let's see. So, you're gonna use some. I think it's on force fan. Look at that. Too tight. Like it's still trying. Too tight.
Just take it out.
All right, so we out, man. We out, yo. Loaded. Headed to the car. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang it. We trapped, y'all. This big old thing, we trapped. Which way do we go? Which way do we go?
It's too tight right there, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang it. They didn't trap us in, man. They don't want us to leave, man. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. We're tired, we hungry, we about to go grab something to eat, man. I gotta come back and fill this up all the way. But this location, 1 out of 3. And I got like 10, 15 other locations too, y'all. It's just about getting my money up, man. So stay blessed. Continue watching the videos. I appreciate the love and support. And we out, y'all.